How to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. Choose your niche. Research different affiliate programs and products. Create a website or a blog. Produce excellent content. Build an audience. Promote your affiliate product. Are you looking for the best affiliate marketplace? ShareASale is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks currently running. It was started in 2000 and it's a popular service for marketers to launch an affiliate program for their product or services. Why do you choose ShareASale? ShareASale has a reputation online and offline as a respectable company, and both merchants and affiliates sing its praises. Easy to join this network, 5-step process that can be done in a matter of minutes. ShareASale makes it very simple for owners of multiple websites to apply to different programs. Higher commission program. You can join ShareASale without any fee. It is a free affiliate platform where you can find out the best affiliate marketing product to promote on your niche. If you need further information, visit the link below video.